Hi everyone, welcome to our counting quiz. Today we are going to count some fun objects. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at these apples. How many apples do you see? That's right, there are two apples. Great job. How about this one? How many ducks are there? Correct, it's one duck. You're a counting star. Now look at these. Can you count the stars? One, two, three. There are 3 stars. Well done. Look at these beach balls. How many do you count? 2 beach balls. You got it. Cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 delicious cupcakes. A dinosaur. How many dinosaurs do you see? Just one. One big dinosaur. Roar! How many butterflies are flying here? That's right, it's one beautiful butterfly. Vroom vroom, count the cars for me. 1, 2, 3 cars. You're so fast at counting. Crunchy carrots, how many can you see? 2 carrots, 1 for you and 1 for the bunny. Up, up and away. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 floating balloons. Great counting. A cute puppy. How many puppies do you see? Just 1 happy puppy. Woof, woof. Last one. How many sunflowers are in the garden? 1, 2, 2 sunflowers. You did it. You are a counting expert.